I recently received my Sephora order for a Sephora savings event. Today I'm going to be showing you what I all got from the Sephora savings event. So the first thing is the Supergoop Mineral Matte Sunscreen. So when I actually put this in the cart, I didn't realize that it was the mini one. But it's still fine. I don't use this one every single day, but I do really like this sunscreen. It is one of my favorites. Next, the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm. A little bit of a backstory. So I loved this one. This is the ITK Nourishing Lip Balm, and I'm pretty much almost out of this. This is my favorite lip balm, and I wanted another lip balm, so I went with the Summer Fridays one. This is in Sweet Mint, and I love this one. This one is really good. I'm really glad that I got the Summer Fridays lip balm. Then I have another shade of lip liners from the Make Up Forever Artist Color Pencil. This is in the shade Up and Down Tan. I love this shade. It is so pretty. That's what it looks like. It's one of my favorites. Okay, I realized that I don't have a higher end powder bronzer. I only have like a drugstore bronzer, like the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and so I wanted to get a higher end bronzer, powder bronzer. So I have the Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Powder Bronzer. This one is in the shade Light, and I'm actually wearing it right now. I really do like this powder bronzer. It's really nice. Next, I wanted a eyeshadow topper. I don't have a lot of those, and I saw Allie Lyons talk about this one. This is the Kulfi Zara Eyes Cream Eyeshadow. I have the shade Sona. It is so pretty. It's one of my favorite shades. It's so nice. This does remind me of the Super Shock Shadow Ritz a little bit. It's so pretty. Okay, next I have a new shade from the Natasha Denona Hy-glam concealer. I wanted something that matched my skin tone and my foundation. This is in the shade N2. I actually really like this shade. It's so nice. Okay, next we have the Rare Beauty Soft Touch Setting Powder and Baking Puff Duo. I haven't tried it yet, but I heard it's really good, and I definitely am excited. I love the color. I love this velvety kind of burgundy red. It's so pretty. I have a hard time kind of shopping for lashes online, and I think I found one of my favorites. This is the Velour Effortless lashes. I think this is the natural ones. And I have the shade Mini Me, or the style Mini Me, and it's so nice. I love it. And then I have the Rare Beauty All of the Above Weightless eyeshadow stick. This is in the shade Integrity. It's a really pretty kind of champagne color, which I really do like with my blue eyes. It's so pretty. Okay, so I do have the Huda Beauty Easy Blur foundation, and I wasn't sure if I should get the primer or not, and I ended up getting it. This is the Huda Beauty Easy Blur primer. I do really like this primer. It does slightly remind me of like the e.l.f. primer, Power Grip primer, maybe the texture of it, I think. That's why it reminds me of that. And I do really like this primer. Even though I have only used it once, it's still a really good primer. I like it so far. Lastly, this was something that I wasn't sure I was going to get, because I do really like the original formula, and it was reformulated, and then I ended up getting it because I really do like this setting powder, and I just wanted to get the new formula. So this is the Givenchy Prisme Libre Loose Powder. I have the shade, it's the shade 2 Satin Blanc, and I really do like the shade. The only thing I noticed is the cap is a little bit different. It's more glossy than the other one's matte, and it does get really fingerprinty, which is kind of annoying, but I just have to like rub it off so it's nice and clean without any fingerprints. So that was everything that I got from the Sephora sale. I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!